This is African Tipsy Podcast, a crew that roots out the African talent from the African culture. This is where pure talent is shown, small businesses grow. How dare you get bored while the team's talent is cheering people? We guide, we teach, we host, we motivate, we promote, we produce, and we give you free comedy. This podcast and this crew are here for the best of the people. You can call it African Tipsy for the people. African Tipsy for the people.
So guys, re bile ka ngwe episode e matla gape la tseba re skimile majita rena ba re ba jwale ka mobolobedu budu ba thaba amba tshekua tshekula ba re ba lobedu re le mabeu ka khuduni ya mela re a shabu ka khuduni ya mela. So la tseba re ke African Tipsy so re mo re le mo khila tseba ra go re ke na go ela it's about to go down. So please subscribe, like, share and comment and smash that notification table. So let's say let's host the Elena Maspa, aka General Subs, the one and the only. The election get feet about to vote. So again namu councillor candidate Wanagamuka. Today you can have a special co-host Saka. Senor or negative like a Jerez and I get Jerez and my Cherry mongwe o dile kopi ke rasta man oh rasta woman all right go pela ba botse re kwena ma ka re nna ke taba ka go botse dingwe tsa re ka re go bona mashonje mo.
Hi guys, my name is aka
London baby.
Intombazane when it has it red actually uthi rasta.
Oh
You put some respect uthi jale.
Jale uri kena London baby ka makhutiri mitjare ke London baby. So it's London baby rana get started today and then let's say our get started every day so they introduce it ba re botsa rena bona ke bona mang ba tumile ka eng o ba bona re botsa a ke nna ke ngala botsana ke le na bo mang re tshwere mang guy.
Okay, nagalina ke nna boss happy boy ke tsokara group e tsor Fambu Entertainment from Bulubedu Bulubataba. Line ya mkoko ile tukakabane
Straight for bed
K yo young lazy or Afro pop from Lobedu Tabanin R81.
yeah ralang le bar ke young lazy so nna ke tsaba lazy ya pink so ba
Lazy okwa.
oh lazy ya kwa
Was lazy.
oh
young
lazy
lazy
oh young lazy
yeah
okay so kana gare ke lazy e le gare batho ba tla ga different paint mara a re join mo go yona got the real deal. So
So guys, what's your gender? Like what motivated you to choose the gender that you're doing? Like tell me more about it. Like I wanna sing now and definitely good at this. What motivated you?
okay duel motivated le rena ke re
artsona agenda
o genre ne anna genre nna ke le kompo ko morao kwane ba bitsa ne ke re masenke wa bo ntse re tsamaya re isa pele so ya bore ba bitsa Bulu House ra ke Bulubedu I feel it Bulubedu music then ba ke Bulu House yeah wa bona ba ba yeah ke yona
oh tsaba shebe oh a go tela ba eso tsaba shebe o tshwana go tsaba miss miss wa tsaba ke oh right way
it's the good father
so go tsaba shebe o tsaba modimo wa lekombo
you want to come
go tsaba miss go tsaba modimo wa bona
yeah and enjoy motivated le ngaphapha ne motivated ke the Lego tsona bo King Manada bo DJ Janisto yeah the batho ba push it too much yeah
ya listo
yeah
madrone
Mathume wa delela.
oh tsena bjane ka ntoni ya ka wetsela le mosadi wa ka o tlo sola a ke go botsa na felo ka tshola
Let's follow the street.
The first song, what's the title of it? It's song that you generated. First song, what's now when I be an artist, I'm sitting down, I'm thinking of these lyrics. What made you to come up with those lyrics and why?
Okay, nona le rakadi o mongwe wa rena o tswa Bolobedu ba re ke rakadi Candy tsa Mandebele. Ka nako le ya nna re bina ka diteki ngwana malome ya o re la tsena ko Kalawa Jasmine ne ke dia le mojitong o ba re ke K2 ke sa nna Madibeng. So that lady o re la tsena Kalawa a tlo wina di award tsa di Metro. Ke a hopola ne le ko shaka mathomo yore a re ke dedicated for yena to ke rakadi my producer DJ K2 ka hopola na go ila then ka intso re leboa Candy. Yeah, it was my first song.
Candy yo lo pela ba re mala le mohodu le khwele ka totroma
ka ya ka tsena
le studi ka re le wiri re la kai re la gas kokoti kamatrebele basimana ba dikomu ba ya badisa ba ya badisa dikomu alright get it so arupen lazy boy mfana mshimani wa utwa afana kana gare ke ba re ke lazy boy paint ya mshimani ba re ke lazy boy young lazy
Yeah.
aragala young lazy or absolute wena king to the road ka music wa le seng or music wa le kom I don't know music wa le seng because but wa bantshi ba maybe yes no
Kona ba tseba no
yeah kona ba tseba
ke le kompo already go mra kwa nitso lo na
number
go bitso re ke le seng
that's what I ke le seng le la Limpopo le la le Bolobedu le la Phalabora so ke ntwe le gore batho ne ba tseba yona so ya tsona wana o tsene beng ka re ga music wa
Like o be nna mosholo re ne ke teleja music wa batho. So le kom follower wa mra. Follow bu Bomberu. Magege. Then ke busy le nna ke tradition.
ma 2000 ba ka sobo
Ke busy ke re ke tradition then ka bona lo okay. Mara dai nga ya studio. Mara ke azo studio ngi wa. Then ka re ya reki ya wena Papi Boy.
oh
mpabanzi
Before young lazy. Then ke argia. Then ka bona lo okay. The follower lo jejali lo sunbake.
oh
Sunbake o ba shwa ba
Sibokuboku.
performer ba bina ka right.
mo sibokuboku
Trega musika sembalele.
le na sibokuboku ke ile ka mo 16 ya lo fo ka sona ke digai ka fita mola ka bina mo bino mongwe ka sukushishe le na buzudi ya but okay so okay wena no re music ga go tsile too much mo ga di program street promotions o tshwana le sunbake and stuff
Yeah, to me like that ka bona lo rexi ka thoma gorgi a ke tse go duma ba kene na. Then motropela maybe ke tshele music le na ka o talo okay ke seja voice but ka na go ya re ya ka thoma lori maybe ntse lori ya idea maybe ke busy ya cleaner ke thoma opela so ka ntse
wena tshwana ba thola go opela ba le shower
so ntse ke re idea ke opela mara ka kona bona lori okay track a e go le mos o ka bona something or maybe o ka bona lori life ya o tsamaya bjang e dengwe ka dia track
wena batho ka mongwe bana batho go opela ba thapa was that go tapa you can sing
Yeah.
accommodate my host
Sure.
my co-host Oma guess you can sing well while party alone in the house or in the bathroom.
What if you give it like a kishi
ga nona o hlapela kheshe
mara ke nnete kore batho ba banna ka ra mekhukhu ba
problem gore le gola okay problem gore problem gore le adoptile maphelo a Gauteng gore o dule ka ra one room wa hlapa wa ja wa robala ka ra room e one gore wa hlapa wa ja wa robala ebile wa studisha ebile wa apea one room divided into 5 so mara today re tshwere ba fethu ba rena ba tsaba le Bolobedu straight line ba re ba tshwere Bolobedu straight line ba opela le kompo so opela le kompo ka mkholetsa re le kompo no ke lona the national anthem of South Africa yeah
Yebo.
awa
Mara ke lona le ntop no wa ke re.
when what here like
Everywhere ke
in
le kompo.
school they taught you at school that one goes singelela Africa and goes singelela Africa not everyone can sing it ge itla kwa ga Africans here Gerbertes fer Harry hey man la ke tsona ba re ke mara a re ba bolela Africans I don't care the only part that I care about ke yeah it's my mother tongue so for example es le bona mama ba fela ba se roba le ba se roba ka kwa ga se pedi le ka kwa ga se Zulu so le nna kwa Africans ke a roba so that's why bona mo re shela re le kompo it's a national anthem a gona motho a sa tsebeng moshebeshi a gona motho a sa tsebeng khari mama khari baby
Yeah, our mom.
khari mama a gona motho a sa tsebeng shandesh wa kushi so lo ena totse go kushare if ever you know Karishma a go bitsa go kwa re matumi da o le ka mo hae so ba fethu ba tshwere that genre so ro pla re ba follow mo batla ba le gona but before follow ba bona o thompola for African Tipsy ro gona mo Facebook YouTube TikTok Instagram ro gona ape Instagram e nyaka diaparo papa
Oh, yeah.
Instagram e nyaka fashion ke la ya bo mama re ka se ba betse ka maina mara wena go nyaka re follow mo Facebook TikTok a Facebook le Instagram re gona ra botla gore a re diaparo arare ko
I got to make a level. Level.
ene shopela re na go small street ba etswa leji bale hey ke ba thata so guys please follow us follow us mo YouTube TikTok Facebook and then smash that notification button like you smash your babies what and then le ba we tshwara o le wena no tshwara o tshwara straight so majita le bona bana le tsa bona tseno ba tla re fa tsona towards the end of the show so nna ntwe ke nga go shaba fetu bona le ntwe ba reng keng bona le ntwe ba reng ke talent that's what it's talent
Yeah.
so bona le this so-called artist no, not to mean so-called artists, so to say that, but I'm saying the artists no do one that's also gospel and stuff. O khoma lo motho o thomile go a re botsa gore o thomile go pela at the age of 5 years. And then re ke check my baby at the age of 5 years. Ngwana lo sa tadi baba. So now you should know when did you discover your talent? Okay, now both of you, when did you discover your talent? Okay, I can sing these things and then I can do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright. Na re ke le botse ke be le itse mokopane. Abu DJ Call Me.
Oh,
a go budi ba o bitsa Mrs. Chan.
okay.
Wa bona ne le DJ Call Me phone call. So ke ba bone ba inspire ke sa le ngwana monyane so. Kore ne ke tsamaya ke ya di eventeng tsa bona ke ba lebella ba performa. Wa bona so ka normara ke a rata then ke no go idia one day cause ke bona ka re ke nto e good monna wa bona so ka thoma ka bina koša tša manyalo ka ba motho wa bina koša tša manyalo ka bina ka bona re wa pala ka tsamaya ka kerekeng ka tsena ka kerekeng ya Bazwelane ka kereke ya Bazwelane ke mo ke thomileng go opela ka ba a leader, worship leader. Yeah, I've been a worship leader. Ba bona ka thoma go opela ka kerekeng ya Bolobe ke mo go bone gore mo ke na le talent. Everyone na thoma go bona I realize that this guy o na le voice. Yeah. I worship so someone I can know. Tsena mo ka bona ka ya. Ba bona ra ke na le talent mo ke mo mamaka I'm you have to move to Bolobe. I moved to Bolobe. Mo ke ile ka meet up K2 ne go le bona go Master Beto. Master Beto. Mo ke meetile le bo Mata le bo Ravo. Bo Ravo. So mo na mo ke bona ke release gore ke na le talent then ka thoma music. Wa Lukompo.
So starting, how was it? Did you already know like in terms of the producers and everything, or you just had to figure it out?
Wa bona wa o thoma mmino modimo ke ena a tsebang gore ke ena o tshwaretseng tsela. Ya ke ona mo a tlo isang ona tse gore mo we are going there. Wa bona that is why ke no thoma so mo ka no bona mo ke fitlileng teng.
So for
Yeah,
when
very
lazy, what is lazy? Young lazy. Not people lazy boy because young lazy because what I know for I wanna put them fun. I wanna put so I'm sorry to say to maybe go check it in a young boy and what I would say lazy kid. Young lazy. So when the young lazy came into the world, maybe when did you discover your
talent? No, 2012 ne. So 2012 ngamkhola ke tsena Anton grade 8 2012. So o bona le gore no le bafana bangwe ba re le kile so we re dia jela ja gore re compete go yar after school ra rock yar fine rest se re bona lore se wona umphabeni isa zindo za the center ravari ka ofela after kwana radio over 2012 ka 14
little camera wa bona no na le cherry no na le cherry
got download beats icon so bajita itu ba opela ona be track ya bona way two track number 2 they my first and then eke ba kapile ka da ba busy ba spina ba roke apelo wena o ka tsena ka verse ka ra ka tsena ka verse na le voice ka roke I want life but
Same time,
yeah
right on the spot.
Yeah, he's very talented.
ka ngwala verse you want the times 3 you want the mathomo ba era ngwala u 2 ba era ngwala u 3 and then ya ba sharp ya re dia motho wa ka dula fase go botsa ba ka botsa go pola 13 ke thoma o lata le tšetši la ta ibile we la ka re ke o rata ba re thoma lo khola ka re one day to loga the fela tsa khola like so I feel like I am because of where level there so and then when number boy yeah
Pabanji.
my real name is Pabanji the time when number boy so na go area and then got that great accident got 14 Valentine 2014 great accident rega ofela ra hospital kapa re boya ra direct go shela re wile papa and then ke mo the time let's la shoma bula re thoma grali event
yeah no
gara ipopela le re ne e ke motivate to agma le go shela re ke sele ja too much e ja dama no mo ba re ke peace tsela ja batho ba le hore ke ba tjhelete tswa ko.
Yeah, no, I batho ba modimo you guys la mo tsa gore o bile o findile out talent ya ka di 14 ja February. A khumana accident ka di 14 ja February. Ba boya ba mo hlala ka di 14. Yebo. Damano bona masi.
Too much. Come go.
Damano bona masi. Hape ke o botsa gore o tlo find out hape ka di 14 ja 2027. Bona feta ba le ke tsara batch. But no man talent. No, I don't know my talent. I don't know talent I good amazo. That's my talent. You know yours. What's your talent?
It's story for another day.
Okay.
It has to do with hair.
Hey. Wallowa. Bueno, no talent.
Get talent.
You tell us talent Mozambique.
Tell me, how do you do with I don't understand. Okay, how many songs have you released so far?
Okay, na from starting with me, kosa ka le majita ka maybe ka fitla mo 100 something.
100.
On Spotify. On Spotify.
It's in the I go
what
on
you have to do,
Spotify
yeah.
guy. Come when release go na re na ne 100 ya fita.
So how do you deal with negativity? Because in everything that you do, there'll always be negativity and all that.
When you believe in God, don't ever utilete motho o le lutse bad ka wena. Negativity ke lutse nna ke sa rateng. Gore I have to ke lebelle mo ke yang ona tsela ya ka. Ke ona mpotsa gore ke ya kae. I don't believe in negativity. Pitisaka, I believe in positivity.
How do you take those mean comments? Maybe you just release the song. Maybe in future, if you haven't experienced it now, maybe in future you release a song and someone comments maybe nasty under your song. How are you gonna figure it out?
Comment lead page. So, kara music re taka na challenge ya pa. Ngano release a track, maybe nagafaga, maybe I got bocha lo regeli. Gafaga flow ya. Bari gafaga flow ya. Release a track wa right, amanu uzeja share. But music kunyaga pay. But what's in a pillow? Baba njiwa give.
That's true. Nazanga opela ke hlapa. Ai, ke kunuka se stere ya ka. Le mratwana opela. Ba hlapa. Na ke hlapa ena ke ba serious.
Yeah.
5 minutes is too much.
Yeah.
You are done.
Ke tapela o fe. Ene ke tlhapa ke tlelewa.
I'll show.
A ke ya go ba ke tologa nna. Ke thapa le mathatse ka mkana. So guys, let's go re tshwere majitare. Batho ba lobedu and bolobedu le Phalaborwa is just neighboring villages or neighboring locations. So ba lobedu ka mkana bona ba nyaka ya sekolo ba ya Phalaborwa. Ba tla sa fa danke. So re ba welcome bona da. Ba tseba hore bona ke home. Ke bona gore bophelo bo tswa ona. So le ba follower guys ba tlo re botsa di chase ya bona ba khumana kae njani and stuff like which is so then go pala re le ba follower le fetsa follower le follow African tips all right so guys a ke tsamaela tse ba re ke tsamaela London baby la majita ka tswa lo bedu ba tswa lo bedu majita ke ba re ba bolela ba re bona ba inspire le ke batho ba fapana gore ba inspire le ke bo DJ Call Me yo moro o tswa mo DJ Call Me a tsanteng actually okay o tswa bo lo bedu for sure o tswa mo Janice tsanteng so it's one of my favorite artists, those that I follow. And then my number one ke Shebe Shete, Shebe Mabena, but Jubu to the Trongonga holiday, Narese or
Free Mabena.
Nsang Mabena, Mabena Twelent, Lemugwebe Alecant. At least.
Actually, I had that when we were talking what's your take on allegedly, guys? Yay! They say that most celebrities, they sell their souls to get clouds. What's your take on that? Like,
ile ya ka wena ro wena o nyaka o nyoko tja shortcut ro no go believe mo modimong na. So now those things that small room as logic di believang, I don't need that. If modimo wa dumela ka talent how, your time is coming. You have to focus.
okay, what's your take on abanye bathi? Okay, I heard a lot of stories about celebrities that I'll just highlight this one. But the others, if they don't sell their souls, they go, like babana something, maybe a lucky charm or something, maybe a bracelet, a watch, or yeah, they just use something that would, understand. When I was protecting you, maybe in this fame and everything, listen, I told you, share my audience, my body, like everything. I should make it like something that would.
I need to pray.
Ne?
Ona na mutamo. Ona le tredu ku.
Ona mutamo.
And I see you are having this bracelet. What is it called?
This
one. I'm more interested in this one. The
Ena le
ice.
The eye of God. So
the eye of God.
The eye of God. So guys, we are feeling so at least let us your social media platforms and then so that we can tell people who are follow and then young lazy.
Okay, now more YouTube Boss Epi Boy SA, TikTok Boss Epi Boy SA,
So
Facebook Boss
is it like
BOSZ
Boss.
Epi Boy. Then on Facebook Peace Epi Boy.
Peace, happy boy.
Yeah,
Then,
Instagram is Peace Epi Boy.
So the peace and the happy boy, there's no space in between, there's no comma.
There is a space
or
between
under
peace.
slash.
Then is under peace, under then Epi Boy.
Okay, now Facebook is Young Lazy, the vocalist.
Young lazy.
The vocalist. And then TikTok, Young Lazy, the vocalist.
Who they work with is the THE one or DE?
D,
D only.
the vocalist.
The vocalist.
Yeah,
Not
not
it
The
He said D
Maris,
only.
yeah.
not there.
Not there.
The
Not the
vocalist.
yela upalla batho go matlanga commission. About the. So you can DE is there.
There. The
Oh,
vocalist.
So let's say about guys, so another African, another African gypsy,
Yeah.
African gypsy. So when you wanna follow us or come on YouTube, African gypsy no space and then our podcast, African gypsy no space podcast. So then, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok.
So guys, what's the question that maybe you felt like we should ask you but we didn't ask? You don't want to say anything, maybe
What's that
raise
interview?
something about yourself, maybe that we didn't ask of, maybe.
Zanga la re botsisa gore wela ka re company tse di feo.
Oh,
So
yeah.
independent.
Alazanga la re botsisa lo re okay wena o nyaka go bona featureile man.
Go shatsa lena di hit tsa lena ke tse di feo.
What's that problem on again? Rena problem gore re phela re nyaka go tswa ka too much. So lo jeng gore nga re the cover is the cover. And then go the cover but because I go wa re botsisa. One letse na wena. We o ke ma motho pele wa mo feature wa o tuma ba ke ma motho no go feature go mo feature wa go tuma.
Okay. Nna I feature DJ Janice, to ke rata khabetse DJ Calvin, DJ Kimero, DJ Call Me. Ne?
Already we
Eh,
featured them.
Yeah, I featured them. You
Is
can
it?
Google me. Yeah, ka motshwara ka musa mo.
Ka mkunyeja, arwala,
Ka
mkisanya.
Ngile wa bona munyana. Akinyaga musimano toma musala murao. Akinyaga chalete. Hey unregele mo unregele mo. Hey unregele mo.
Wow, you can sing, yes.
Evan,
Yes.
Vice.
ke ra wena ka rule Zulu a o di ikulu tšeba di bolela mara re a tšwa mo go yona eo ba re mokisanyana
Kisanyana. Kisanyana.
When I should.
re ke no ba ba re mokisanyana ba tsena ka re so ba ne ke opela se re ga mokisanyana kunyeja a re ya thapa
Hey, kamsala so. Nyeja. Kar murete mwa.
ha ile taka matla number 1 le nna I'm a top fan of that song.
Thank you
I'm
very
a
much.
top fan of that song.
I appreciate it.
Yela yona ile bula taba tša mannete bele mogotsi aka ke go tsena wena o feature mong ba o sho feature
Na ke mo featurele ke Bayotisi. Ngina mede ara achusi. Na ya becheni. Ra overtake. Ra overpower ke mo feature ka feature le Prince J Malizo. Bole na bantsara ka belo messages you. Tachile ngwele don tsara ka leso. La re well done. La re well
yona
done.
ba thogo pela go sheke ditse ba ke di shala le morago
Ba solo re go ba feature.
ape o gare ke ba feature le before ba mfisha
Already brand.
nna ke le wona ape ba pele go shela no wa re ne ke go I was there as spirit so it's good obana na if muthu ka muthu nna ke go feature mo go philone bya ka
Shame my pen. Yeah, but at least I believe in that my pen.
Like,
Nah, I-
Yeah, I'm a nit ke.
ya lebele shebe ke a ke kgone go opela ke na bona ba ka morago ka mkono demonstrate ka bolela
Yeah. Yeah.
wa go shisha ba opela ke ba ka morago
Confidence is very too much there.
Yeah,
Everything.
oh, Shebe
What the
Mabena.
type of that guy on?
shebe
I
mabena
believe,
to the
yeah,
world
To the world. You see, you inspire
Messi to the global
What's on Manizo? Manizo, mon. Can I?
Yeah.
I would see those Madamara, everything 45. You see, because it's my bed. Tabajamu ko ke mabeti company kerege manizo yo manizo zaba ya ke mabeti tilo jamu ko ke mabeti mawe kerege manizo
when you follow us you follow Limpopo
Sure.
so we are Limpopo
yeah Limpopo
with them we are
Limpopo is a country
and I think Ramaphosa must just think about it and make passports for people who are coming from KZN to go
come
with.
to yeah
When they go to
visa.
Limpopo, they must get visa or passports.
Why?
Limpopo is a
it's
country.
very
Is
it's a whole hood of entertainment
Yeah.
Tsala le no
Yeah,
no arna na le umkae ne. Arna manager.
As a manager.
As manager.
we are independent
And re 3 ke nna yang lazy le possible.
in Mr. Rav.
Mr. Rav.
So now go manager le.
I
Le mmereko wa market. Ayo le mmereko wa market. Le nna go wa manager.
Arna manager, arna sponsor, arna
Narne.
So guys, please, if ever you see this video, please, these guys, they are talented. They're coming from Limpopo. So please, if ever you know or when you can provide with a sponsor them. Mara skaba sponsor ka dutsa hore di tlo ba phelela ba palela ko pele. Please. Mara we are saying sponsor these guys and also sponsor us. Remember, we as African Tipsy, we are hosting this artist without any compensation, without anything. It's free. Even if you can ask them, they'll tell that everything is free. They didn't pay anything to be here. Isn't Zakeza. So sponsor us, sponsor them, sponsor us also. so that we can help other artists going forward. Upcoming ones. Wakushisha. So namo ke itswalela ka ntse ke fela ke itswalela ka a powerful message. Shabaribe biba. Shabaribe biba. Itswaletse.
How?
I need you now.